Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover abstract class and abstract method in Java. In an abstract class, we use the abstract keyword before the class keyword. Abstract class could have abstract methods. We use the abstract keyword before an abstract method. Abstract method do not have method body. It is not mandatory to have an abstract method in an abstract class, but if a class have abstract method, then the class must be declared as abstract. An abstract class could have both abstract and normal implemented methods. We cannot create an instance of abstract class. Other class extends abstract class and implement the abstract methods of the abstract class. If an implementing class do not implement all the abstract methods of the abstract class, then the implementing class also need to be declared as abstract. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.